Fraserway RV, your vehicle to adventure, presents our RV rental video series. In this segment, we will take a look at the motorhome that is spacious yet luxurious, the Class C X Large. This motorhome sleeps 6 adults and is one of 4 types of Class C motorhomes available to choose from. This motorhome is equipped with backup and side mirror cameras. Also features a tow and haul mode to safely drive the vehicle up and down hills with ease. With the simple touch of a button, the slide-out instantly creates extra living space for you and your passengers. Stock your fresh groceries in your refrigerator, fully equipped with a separate freezer compartment. Heat up snacks in no time with the built-in microwave. And with a propane stove and oven, the possibilities are endless with what you can create in this kitchen. This Class C motorhome comes with a roof air conditioner and thermal pane windows to keep heat out in the summer. It also features a powerful but quiet ceiling fan to help circulate the air, or let the fresh air breeze through insect-free with the built-in screen attached to the door. Feel free to experience Canada's natural wonders through your large panoramic windows from inside the motorhome. Keep your passengers entertained with the Bluetooth-enabled stereo and have your mobile electronics stay charged with the USB and 12-volt charging ports, both available in this motorhome. This RV is equipped with solar panels and a generator to keep your motorhome and appliances powered off-grid. Fit all of your camping needs in the oversized exterior storage compartments and the storage cabinets available inside. Rinse off after some outdoor fun with the exterior shower before you enter the motorhome. With the press of a button, the awning provides an extended covered outdoor living space. When it gets darker, turn on the LED lighting to continue the fun. Take a hot shower in this large ventilated bathroom and turn on the propane furnace to stay warm and cozy. When you're ready for bed, this motorhome can be converted into 4 separate sleeping areas. 1 bed with storage located over the cab, a permanent bed with privacy screen located in the rear, a convertible sofa bed located near the front, and an easy-to-convert bed located at the dinette. With these features, you can see why this spacious yet luxurious Class C X Large is the vehicle for your Canadian adventure. Every Fraserway RV rental can come with an optional convenience kit for a hassle-free adventure. Learn more about our RV rental fleet through this video series or browse our website at fraserwayrvrentals.com to find the perfect vehicle for your RV holiday. And remember to choose Fraserway RV Rentals for a worry-free RV adventure.